All right, so I created this little guide here on AI image generation 2026, and I thought it was kind of cool, but I think it's going to leave a lot of questions, and so I figured I would do a follow up. So here's the cool thing: anything I want to know about AI, anything I want to learn about AI, guess what? AI will teach me. How cool is that? So let's say that I want to use. Let's go back here. Let's try something. Let's try something real easy here. I want to know the easiest ways to create an image using AI. And what are the top three free AI programs that I can use to create images? So you see there, I kind of gave it some guardrails. I want the easiest way. I want to know what the top three are, and I want free. So let's see what it tells us. Anybody can do this, by the way. You go to ChatGPT, which is where I'm at right now, and you just type in this right here or something like that, and it's going to give you. So it's telling you the easiest ways to do it. It's going to tell you the top three here to use. I've never used this one before. That's kind of interesting. Um, I would say Gemini is great, and I would say ChatGPT is great as well. Those are the two free ones that you can do, and it gives you some other stuff that you can do here. But it kind of gives you a start. And then so like for me, I would go, but wait a minute. I thought ChatGPT was one of the best ones to create free images on. Why is that not on your list? So again, I'm challenging it, saying, hey, listen, I thought that this one should be there as well. Why is it not? And it says, why is it? So, hey, direct answer first, boom, it tells you what it is. And it kind of goes down here and gives you some more information. So, because I know most people use ChatGPT or they use Gemini, let's just use ChatGPT. So, if I wanted to create an image that I could put on my Facebook page or on a Facebook post, and I want to use ChatGPT to do that, give me a set of instructions so that we can make this happen. Obviously, when I'm talking to this thing, you see I don't speak in computer speak, and I speak like I normally do. It's smart enough to figure that out. So we're going to go through here, and here's a repeatable set of instructions. You got to define the goal, go through and look at all this, blah 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 blah. And how cool is this? So it gives you a prompt on how to do that. Now I'm sure that this prompt is, well, I'll tell you what. Oh, you got to describe what it is that you're looking for. Um, so let's do this real quick, and then we'll come back and do something else here in a minute. I like doing these kind of videos. These are fun. These are what nobody out there wants to teach. Everyone wants to charge you money. They want to charge you $100 a month to get in their group and teach you how to do this stuff. Realistically, just get on here and do what I'm doing. Just ask it stupid questions and let it give you answers. So I could have done exactly the same thing. So it gave me Gemini up here at first. I could say, okay, tell me exactly how I'm going to create an image using Google Gemini. Oh, you know what? I didn't see that. It did say ChatGPT up here. Look at me. So scroll back down here to the bottom and see what we got. So I just copied that paste and put it in here, and it's creating this image. Now, obviously, if I wanted to do an image of my sort, I would say, let me go ahead and start putting this prompt back in here. I have pasted a prompt in there for a basic image. What I want you to do is ask me a series of questions one at a time so that we can make a specific image for what I want. I don't want just generic images. I want a specific image. So this is kind of cool, right? We didn't do anything. We just created an image. So now this thing is I'm going to tell it to create a specific type of image, but I'm going to have it help me do it. So the important part here is I want you should be to ask me a series of questions one at a time so we can make this specific for me. So now it's going to go through here. I'm going to answer these questions and I'll review them. You don't need to watch me answer them. Man, that thing asked me a lot of questions. So it went through here. So we got it's going to ask me one question at a time, and I'm not going to go through each question. But you just go through and you can copy and paste what it is that you want. You see, long term, you just see as I went through, I just copied and pasted each thing. I am the least creative guy on the planet. And so I just kind of went with it. This thing will help guide you depending on what it is that you're trying to create, and it gives it to you. So let's see what we got here. Now that is a pretty cool picture that we have there. Now I can copy this, go straight over to Facebook and put it in, and away we're done. Okay, so that's thing one. I'm going to do another video that has thing two, how we learn to use these components.